Okay, so let's create another variable called specific articles that will help us select just specific articles, but we are going to assign it to empty um array. So after that, we move on again and selecting some anchor tags contains anchor tag that contains anything football. So select anchor tag that contains anything football. Look at their HTML. Dot each into bracket a function into bracket an empty parameter. Return these variables like title, this dot. It should be a text in form of text. You don't know what it is yet, so it can be anything. Also, a variable called URL. This variable might have attributes that is which is the href attributes, which points to the source of the document. Then some articles. We have it as an array, so push into that array called some articles. Push in title, push in URL, that has a value of newspaper biz plus URL from the site itself. Push in the source and should be the newspaper ID. Okay, so then after that, respond with a JSON file for this for the article. Then after that, in case there is an error, catch this error. Console log the error, meaning that let the error be written in the console. Now, listen for our app on the port. Console log. Click on the back tick. Server is running on ports. So remember that we've assigned port to be 4000 here. So server is running on 4000. So far so good. We have been able to complete our API. For us to test if it is running, let's go to node, start index.js. Okay, so it's saying that there is an error. Why? Because there is a package path not exported. We have not included also we have not included all this. We have not filled this part. Okay, so let's go and source for data from the site. So this is where we'll go to. All right, so the first website we are going to go is Sky News. So let's copy this URL and paste it here. Then the source is Sky News, Sky Sports. Okay, I'm going to replicate this many times, so I'll just copy and paste again, but I will edit it. So the second one, news.now. So let's change it to news.now. News now. Okay, the last one. Oh, soup. The next one is I want to copy this one. I like this one. bsoccer.com. Okay, so let's change the URL to bsoccer.com. So bsoccer. Next one is next one Metro. So metro.co.uk. Metro. Okay, the next one. So you can add as many as you want. So just keep adding and adding and adding and adding. And then, but I want to populate it so that my whoever uses it will have enough. So I agree. Thank you. Can go. Yeah, cookies. I agree to cookies all the time. You have to agree. Okay, so the next one is just talk sports. Talk sports. Right. The next one. I think after this other one, I'm done. I won't put it again in. That should be enough. The next one is Eurosports. Oh, I love this one. Okay, I'll come back to that. So Euro Sports, that's Euro Sports. The next one, this one. After that, no more, no more, no more. We're done. Okay, so the next one is the sports. I mean this one. Oh, CBBC Sports here. Yeah, 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 yeah. I like this one, football. The UK version. By the way, they also have Nigerian version. Okay, so this one. So this is another way of um, giving attribute to the websites that you copied. Then the last one, bbc.com. I said it was going to be the last one. See me copying it again. This is the last one. I know the common. So the next one is bbcfootball.com. Okay, so after that we are good to go. So that's BBC. Okay, so we are done. Any other thing again we need to check. So we've gone so far, so far, so far. We've done listen to but okay, let's try again and see if we can start it. So node index.js. Let's see if it's still asking us is not defined. Export new error. Resolve it at 4729. Package path not exported. Okay. Show code preferred phrase. Okay. Let's see what happened. Require express. What about Cheryl? Require Cheryl.